Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're like me, you love great tasting food, but also want to keep it healthy. It can be a challenge to balance flavor and nutrition, but it's definitely possible. Today I've got 5 amazing hacks to help you eat healthy without sacrificing flavor. These tips are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and will make a huge difference in your meals. Ready? Let's dive in. You'll be surprised at how simple yet effective these hacks are. Hack number 1, spices and herbs. Elevate your dishes by using spices and herbs. They're nature's way of adding flavor without any extra calories. They're not only calorie-free but also pack a punch of flavor. Plus, many herbs and spices have health benefits like anti-inflammatory properties. Think of adding cumin and paprika to your veggies, or a burst of fresh basil and rosemary to grilled chicken. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorites. Trust me, you'll never go back to bland meals again. Your taste buds will thank you. Hack number 2, healthy fats. Don't be afraid of fats. Healthy fats are essential for your body and can actually help you feel fuller longer. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil can make your meals richer and more satisfying. They add a creamy texture and a depth of flavor that's hard to beat. Drizzle some olive oil over your salad or toss some almonds into your yogurt. These small additions can make a big difference in taste and satisfaction. You'll get that creamy texture and delicious taste without the guilt. Plus, these fats are good for your heart and overall health. Hack number 3, sweeten naturally. Skip the refined sugars and go for natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or even mashed bananas. These options are not only healthier but also add a unique flavor profile to your dishes. These options not only add sweetness but also bring in extra nutrients. For example, honey has antioxidants and bananas are packed with potassium. Adding a bit of honey to your oatmeal or blending in a banana with your smoothie can make a world of difference. You'll enjoy the natural sweetness and the added health benefits. Hack number 4, whole grains. Swap out refined grains for whole grains. Whole grains are less processed and retain more nutrients, making them a healthier choice. They've got more fiber, which keeps you full longer and helps your digestion. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. Try quinoa, brown rice, or whole grain pasta. These grains have a nuttier flavor and a satisfying chew that makes your meals more enjoyable. They have a nuttier flavor and a satisfying chew that makes your meals more enjoyable. Plus, they're versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. And finally, hack number 5, fresh ingredients. The fresher your ingredients, the better your food will taste. Fresh produce is packed with flavor and nutrients that can't be matched by processed foods. Hit up your local farmer's market or pick up seasonal produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are often more flavorful and nutritious. Fresh fruits and veggies are bursting with flavor and nutrients. They can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. Plus, they add vibrant colors to your plate, making your meals look as good as they taste. Eating a rainbow of colors ensures you're getting a variety of nutrients. So there you have it, 5 easy hacks to keep your meals healthy and flavorful. 5 easy hacks to keep your meals healthy and flavorful. Incorporate these tips into your cooking, and you'll see a big difference in both taste and health. Try them out and let me know how it goes in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback and any additional tips you might have. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With a few tweaks, you can enjoy every bite and feel great about what you're eating. With a few tweaks, you can enjoy every bite. Healthy eating is all about making smart choices that don't compromise on flavor. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks to keep you on your health journey. Catch you next time. Stay healthy and happy.